It starts with a single line of malicious code. It ends in darkness. A modern cyber attack on our energy grid is not a Hollywood fantasy. It is a clear and present danger that threatens to shut down our hospitals, our economy, and our society. This is not theoretical. We have seen the playbook in action. State-sponsored actors like Russia's Sandworm unit have repeatedly targeted Ukraine's power grid, successfully causing widespread blackouts. Their goal is not financial gain. It is geopolitical disruption and chaos. Their tools are not just ransomware. They are destructive wipers designed to permanently cripple industrial control systems. For decades, these operational systems were isolated. But today, the worlds of IT and OT have converged. This digital transformation has created unprecedented efficiency, but also unprecedented risk. The same vulnerabilities that can halt a car factory, as we saw with Jaguar Land Rover, can shut down a power station. For energy providers here in Europe, this is no longer just a security challenge. It is a regulatory imperative. NIS2 makes senior management directly accountable for the resilience of their critical infrastructure. A failure to secure your OT environment is not just a business risk. It is a direct violation of your legal duty of care. Defending against a state-sponsored threat requires more than a firewall. It requires a proactive framework-led defense. At Trescudo, we help you to secure critical infrastructure.